Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at our puzzle. Can you help me do the puzzle? And we'll practice some of our words. Look at this cute ladybug. It is such a cute ladybug. Let's see what card she has. It is a vine. 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 Look at the vine. A vine of grapes. Okay, let's see where the ladybug goes. Does she fit here? No. I don't think she fits here either. There she fits. Good job. Next puzzle piece. This is a caterpillar. It is a cute blue caterpillar. This is a van. A van. Do you drive in a van? Do you ride in a van? A van. This is a van. Okay, let's see where the caterpillar goes in the puzzle. Does it fit here? No, I don't think so. Here. No. There! We found where the caterpillar fit. Good job. 3 puzzle pieces left. Let's look at the butterfly. Butterfly. It has a vase of flowers. How pretty is this vase? Vase. Vase. Say it with me. Vase. Does the butterfly fit here? I don't think so. What about here? Maybe if we twist it. Good job. We found where the butterfly goes in the puzzle. Which bug should we pick? How about the lightning bug? The firefly. This is a vest. A vest. He is wearing a vest. He is wearing a vest. A vest. A vest. 1 bug left. Oh, nope. We still gotta put in our firefly in the puzzle. Good job. Now we have 1 bug left. It is the bee. Look at the bee fly. This is a veil. A veil. She is wearing a veil. A veil. Her veil looks pretty. Okay, where do you think the bee goes? Buzz. He fits right there. Good job, we finished the puzzle together. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.